轮开嘞，个肉是个肉，个肉是个好听。No. So today is a very special day. Miss Grace, would you like to give us some comment about our exhibition?
Mom hop me naupang how an fill books ya an teacher hop me.
All right. Come, Lucas. You do the vlogging. You be the intern. Here's the mic. You ask questions. Go roam around and go down and like do the exhibition. You must like.
But Annie, I don't know what to do.
Again, ma'am. Again, an exhibition.
Karin pak le ka be se pak in ai na sa in ka mu. Ni dang how shim for a chap. Karin pak in a cha ka lo.
Throughout the fluid equally in all directions.
What do you think of the model?
Very good.
Very good. Very good. Good morning, Amani.
Yes.
May baka Mizoram achana chan achana tu chan tu hi amang tem ta ni chu Mizoram chu tui nei kem ram kan ya bangin nuclear power plant hi tui mangon char ani abangin Mizoram chan he nuclear power plant electric siam cha le kan mamo kan ti ani.
What model is this?
Miss, this is thermal power plant.
Thermal power plant.
Yes, Miss, would you like to know more about this one?
I'll come later, okay?
Yes, please.
All right, thank you so much.
It is transferred using the pipe, so it goes to the furnace of the pipe.
In building atan ber hian in thermocol ti an chi hi kan hanga amai ro chu thermocol hian bol chek chek kan sha lang chewin an dia wangin paper in the newspaper in kan khua chan spray paint var angin kan cover le ve kan chu tin kan do ma chan son thermocol ti tho kan hanga tin achung hetila ya in hu thang hian MCL kan hanga
Supreme Court of India. Again, who done, ma'am?
Oh, an thiam kan ti ata an thiam ni a real kan ti buka an siam thiam boksa.
A history they can show them.
Oh, min lo shila kan mi ai di kwala an sakra chu chang zong zong te ma. Kha kan lo la pi lo ka.
Ole. Auntie, again, who done? Me she look
Ro pui le mai kum ma sai na ro pui zau ka le he. In ro pui deu ro. Tu sak na kala na cheu.
that's three of your normal look okay there.
Ai ho dan phaya kan ho ni.
I want to buy this teacher chara miss na lo pe ni chu.
Miss,
Yes.
do you want to know what Saturn has?
Yes, please tell me about it.
Because it's made of rock, but here's the round of Saturn.
All right. Thank you so much, Alex.
Uranus has rings too. It has small rings.
More ring.
As you can see, this is the GSLV Mark III. The full form is Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. It was used by the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) to launch the Chandrayaan 2 and Chandrayaan 3. This is 2001. It has made around 15 launch and nine success and 4 fail and 2 partial fail.
Very good.
Anything else from the boys?
As we can see, this PSLV, the full form of PSLV is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. This rocket was made by Indian Space Research Organization, and they spent 3 years on this rocket.
Thank you so much.
The project we have here is a medal of the Guwahati High Court of Aizawl Bench. Now, according to the Constitution of India, it says that each state in a country must have a high court, which is the highest judicial authority in that state. And for our state, Mizoram, we have this Guwahati High Court of Aizawl Bench. It is located in the new capital complex of Khambha. And in this court, currently we have 3 judges from Mizoram. They are Honorable Mr. Justice Michael Zoltan Kuma, Honorable Mr. Justice Nelson Salo, and Honorable Mrs. Justice Marley Van Koom.
As you can see, this is a model of the Chandrayaan tree that we made. Now, what is the Chandrayaan tree? The Chandrayaan tree is the 3rd lunar exploration organized by the Indian Space Agency called ISRO. It was launched on 14th July 2023 at 2:35 p.m. and it landed successfully on the south pole of the moon on 23rd August 2023 at around 6:30 p.m. This is the lander called Vikram, and inside this we have a rover called Pragyan. Now, both of these are equipped with scientific instruments and advanced technology so that scientists can get a better look at the moon and study it. You may ask, what made Chandrayaan 3 very historic? The thing is, the south part of the moon is very hard to... no one has ever succeeded in studying the south part of the moon. But Chandrayaan 3 is the first spacecraft that has succeeded in studying the moon and soft landing on it.
Very good.
And as you can see, this is the lander called Vikram. It has a payload. Called as instrument for seismic activity. For example, just like earthquakes occurs in the earth, the moon has moonquake. In the wheels, the logo of the ISRO and the national emblem are carved.
So much. Thank you, girls. Well done. Hello, hiyanin kan all student. Hello, didn't see. Can you please, thank you for coming. Oh, thank you so much. Kapan log. Thank you. Oh, didn't see kan log. Enjoy coffee sa chowro ko. Fun pen. Thank you so much.
Okay, tell me your name and which class you're from.
I am my name is Effie and I'm from class 8.
What about you?
My name is Killerin Moy and I'm from class 8.
Okay, your work is very impressive, so we would like to know more. Can you tell me?
So this is like the Supreme Court of India. In my heart of the Supreme Court, we have the High Court over there, and the Supreme Court has the highest authority in the country, and it is like the most powerful court in the whole country. We can also say that the Supreme Court also functions as guardian of the Constitution, basically. Now, do you want to hear about the history of the Supreme Court?
Sure.
So the Supreme Court was established on 26 January 1950. It was not established in New Delhi. It was first established in the Chamber of Princes, the Chamber of Prince, and established 2 days after India became sovereign democratic republic. If you want to hear more about the history, Rinmoy can explain.
Rinmoy, can you tell me more about the structure?
Yes, ma'am. So this structure was actually designed by the chief architect Ganesh Bikaji Diyal Lalikar, and he built it in such a way that in like an Indo-British way, which means that he mixed the architectural style of the British and the Indian together. It is built in a triangular plot in Harding Avenue. In total, it consists of 19 courtrooms, and this is called the right wing, and this is called the left wing. This is called the central wing, and the central wing consists of the largest room in the Supreme Court, which is the office of the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud.
Okay, very nice. Your preparation, I can tell by your preparation you're very well acquainted with all your subjects. So, just a curious question: what do you want to be when you grow up?
Oh, I don't really have a dream yet, but like there is like a lot of subjects that I'm interested in, so I don't really know what exactly do I want to be yet. But I used to want to be an army soldier.
Okay, very nice.
What about you?
Oh, for me, I have had previous dreams, but I'm not sure where to settle yet. But I've decided to take the science stream.
Okay, very nice. Your preparation is very awesome. Okay, thank you. Tell me your name and which classes you're from.
My name is Isaac Lerin Sange and I'm studying class 9.
My name is Sheila Rota. I'm class 4, class 9.
My name is Samuel Sanga. I'm from class 9.
Okay, so can you tell me about your work?
Miss, can we say Miss?
Yes, yes.
Hemi model.
Hold it yourself.
Hemi model hi electromagnetic quench kan tia. Chonin temporary magnetic kan tebok ta. Hemi battery changin electric kan kal chang tira. Chon hemi model ti cheturianin Pascal law mangin pressure mangin kan ti cheta. Chon amor berry solenoid kan tita. Iron rod le copper wire mangin kan tia. Chonin iron rod ka copper wire mangin kan kwarta. Chon electric kita jaga kan kal chang tir le khanin solenoid ta kal chang ha hian solenoid hi thirip heron chang don ni. Aron hip ta chonin temporary kan tin chan khachu electric akal chang chung song khachu he object magnetic object ki a hip char charanga mase kan off chonin object kha job ta ni tiangang model hi industry standard ta kan manga thir chada kholna te le car cheto da kholna te an mang chin ani kalome.
Very nice. Okay, let me ask you more question. So how long did you guys take to make this?
This around 1 week.
1 week only. Very impressive. So did your teachers help you or you guys did it yourself?
This means the teachers help us also.
Okay, so your group consists of you three or more people?
Miss Aschi.
Okay, very impressive work. Okay, thank you.
Oh, hello to na hian hei ka thian pa Tommy ania Vana Memorial la ani tu pa. Oh, vice principal ania to na hian kan hei exhibition ya ron ngai poi mo student aron soma aron shuaya kan lom le atom enge inron kal chan in shilthem.
Yeah, the program he travel shim katia kini pon la TV do ka tagala do kan school exhibition nei very is say an experience shim to the students how tan mo the program he kan nei khat se
Kan chuka kan lom iron kala do ka ro kan Vana Memorial hi mission veng thanga awmani chukila te ro